Eating more fruit is an excellent way to improve overall health and reduce the risk of disease. Fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, and they are high in fiber. Fruits also provide a wide range of health-boosting antioxidants, including flavonoids. Eating a diet high in fruits and vegetables can reduce a person's risk of developing heart disease, cancer, inflammation, and diabetes. Citrus fruits and berries may be especially powerful for preventing disease. A 2014 study ranked powerhouse fruit and vegetables by high nutrient density and low calories. Lemons came out top of the list, followed by strawberry, orange, lime, and pink and red grapefruit. Lemons are a citrus fruit that people often use in traditional remedies because of their health benefits. Like other citrus fruits, they contain vitamin C and other antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for human health. These compounds mop up free radicals in the body that can damage the body's cells and lead to diseases such as cancers. Researchers believe that the flavonoids in lemon and other citrus fruits have antibacterial, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. Citrus fruits, including lemons, contain active components called phytochemicals that benefit health. Strawberries are a juicy, red fruit with a high water content. The seeds provide plenty of dietary fiber per serving. Strawberries contain many healthful vitamins and minerals. Of particular note, they contain anthocyanins, which are flavonoids that can help boost heart health. The fiber and potassium in strawberries can also support a healthy heart. In one study, women who ate 3 or more servings per week of strawberries and blueberries, which are both known for their high anthocyanin content, had a lower risk of having a heart attack than those with a lower intake. Strawberries and other colorful berries also contain a flavonoid called quercetin. This is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Oranges are a sweet, round citrus fruit packed with vitamins and minerals. Oranges are among the richest sources of vitamin C, with one medium fruit providing 117% of a person's daily value of vitamin C. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. This vitamin is also essential for immune system function. It boosts immune function by helping the body to absorb iron from plant-based foods. Limes are a sour citrus fruit that provide a range of health benefits. Like other citrus fruits, limes provide a healthful dose of vitamin C. They also have similar health benefits, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Grapefruits are sour fruits full of health-inducing vitamins and minerals. Grapefruits can be pink, red, or white. The flavonoids in grapefruits can help protect against some cancers, inflammation, and obesity. A review study suggests the compounds called furanocoumarins found in grapefruits can help protect against oxidative stress and tumors and may support healthy bones. Some research from this review suggests that grapefruit furanocoumarins may have anti-cancer properties, which may be especially effective against breast cancer, skin cancer, and leukemia. Researchers still need to carry out more studies on animals and humans to confirm these properties. Blackberries. Like other berries, blackberries contain health-boosting anthocyanins. Blackberries contain many seeds, so they have a high fiber content. This means they can help improve gut health and heart health. Apples make a quick and easy addition to the diet. Eat them with the skin on for the greatest health benefits. Apples are high-fiber fruits, meaning that eating them could boost heart health and promote weight loss. The pectin in apples helps to maintain good gut health. Pomegranate. Many people consider pomegranates to be a superfood. They are high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which help to combat the oxidative stress that can cause disease in the body. Eat pomegranates with the seeds to get the fiber benefits. One pomegranate also contains 46.2 micrograms of the recommended 80 mg daily allowance of vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for strong bones and healthy blood cells. Pineapple is an exotic fruit that may help reduce inflammation and promote healthy tissue growth. Pineapple contains an active compound called bromelain, which many people take as a dietary supplement because of its potential health benefits. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health state that bromelain can help with reducing nasal inflammation or sinusitis. However, scientists need to carry out more research into its benefits for osteoarthritis and its anti-cancer potential. Bananas. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content. A medium banana contains 422 mg of the adequate adult intake of 4,500 mg of potassium. Potassium helps the body control heart rate and blood pressure. Bananas are also a good source of energy, with one banana containing 105 calories and 26.95 g of carbohydrate. The 3.1 g of fiber in a regular banana can also help with regular bowel movements and stomach issues, such as ulcers and colitis. Avocado. Many people refer to avocados as a superfood because of their healthful qualities. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat which helps lower cholesterol levels. The American Heart Association say that maintaining healthy cholesterol levels with healthful fats could reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Like bananas, avocados are rich in potassium. They also contain lutein, an antioxidant which is important for healthy eyes and skin.